Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So this is today's look. It's a little crazy. This video, I tried to explain as much as I could, but I didn't really have a plan. If you guys want to know how I did this, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do is block out my eyebrows. So I'm going to take, it's really dried up and gross, but this is just Pros-Aid, which is prosthetic adhesive. But you want to do it in like 3 sections, so like the middle, or the beginning, the middle, and then the end of the brows. And I like to brush against the hairs and then flick them upwards. Same thing, go with the hair and then against the hair to make sure that you're coating all of them. And then go up. And then the very last part. You want to work relatively quickly though, just because this stuff does dry pretty fast. And if your hair is naturally, like if you guys can see how I kind of brought these ones to the side, if they naturally go down, then brush them downwards. You don't need to like fight against them. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eyebrow, and yeah. Okay, so once you got the Pros-Aid on, you want to take a powder puff with some powder, and I like to just fold it like a taco. And preferably do this over a garbage can, just because it gets so messy. But I want to really scrub it in there, and then you want to go with the growth of your eyebrow hair, so you don't want to start from the top down, but you want to go from the top up. The powder is all inside here, and just go ahead and set your brows. Right, so I'm just going to really quickly do my normal like skin prep routine. Just adding a little light moisturizer, some pore filler, all that fun stuff. And then I'm just going to put on my foundation, concealer. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so really quick before I go over my eyebrows, since my eyebrows are pretty dark, I actually am going to go on top with, this is Makeup Atelier, I believe. It's just an orange concealer because that will completely cancel out the color. To prevent it from like mixing with the foundation, I like to actually set it with powder first and then go on top with more concealer. So just a little tidbit. It's going to get a little cakey, but oh well. Okay, so I look terrifying. The next step is I think I'm going to cover the majority of my left eye in this whole area with the black coming down. So this side kind of coming down like an S swoop. I'm just going to pretty much just kind of randomly do like lavender and like pinks and maybe some baby blues. Pretty much just slowly transforming my face into different shades, almost like a watercolor painting. Sorry if that's not a great description. I don't really know what I'm trying to do right now, so probably just going to speed this up and do a voiceover. But we'll see. All right, let's get started. So here we're using the one and only Louise Base. This is the color 0, so it's the pure white one. So using the Morphe 351 Icy Fantasy palette, I'm just going to start off by taking these lavender eyeshadows. I start off by putting these mainly in the crease, and then you guys will see I go in with some blue and also this highlight color, and I'm pretty much just putting this all over my upper lid, brow bone, and even up into my forehead and my temple as well. There really is no rhyme or reason, so just have fun and just throw a bunch of color all over. Here I'm grabbing this silver glitter and I'm just placing this in the center of my lid. Now grabbing the Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm going to use this center shadow, and I guess I'm putting it all over my face since my highlight before obviously wasn't bright enough. And then I'm also going to go down my nose with the lavender eyeshadow color just for a little bit of contour. And then grabbing the Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, we're going to add even more highlights. Alright, so I already went and contoured with some blue under my cheekbones, and look at what we're doing. We're grabbing more highlighter. So this is the Ofra Cosmetics highlight. I forget what color it is, but I'll put it down in the description box below. So switching to the other side of my face, this is the side that's actually going to have like all the other black detail and the other eyeballs. So this side doesn't need to be as perfect as the purple side. But basically what I'm doing here is I'm just taking some pink eyeshadow and bringing it down the nose, my temple area, underneath my eyes, pretty much just everywhere. But like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect since we're going to be covering the majority of this up. So I already have an eyelash on, and you guys can see here that I'm just taking some liquid eyeliner and just connecting the tear duct area with the eyelash, so that way it just looks like we have just a very thin line of eyeliner. And then I'm just going to draw a cute little dot just right underneath the lower lash line. Alright, you guys, so this is where I'm at so far. I don't really have a good explanation. I guess what I was trying to do is just keep the lighter colors on top and kind of just naturally go down. So you guys can see I put some like blue in my contour. This looks like a hot mess on this side because I'm about to go cover it with the black eyeballs. And then I just added some lashes, did a little inner liner, corner thing, a little dot. So right now I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Flash palette and I'm going to use the white color. And I'm going to use that first to kind of map out where I want the eyeballs and the whole design to go. And then I'm going to outline it in black. And yeah, we'll see where I'm at with that. As you guys can see, this look is pretty random. So for the eyeballs, again, just following that same pattern, I'm just going to put them wherever I feel looks balanced. And once I get a few of the eyeballs actually drawn in, I'm going to go around with some black. And again, just mimic the shape of some eyes, and I'm not going to fill in all of them. And then just for some last finishing touches, I'm just adding this pretty purple lip gloss and then some black teardrops. Oh my god, that was my kitty. Alright, so we are here. Looking at it, so I added just some tears and just random stuff. I kind of want to make the black sparkly, so alright, so I'm just going to actually, I guess, put this glitter. This is, I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's from MAC. It's just like a dark charcoal glitter. I'm going to use the, if I have it, yes, the NYX Glitter Primer. So I think I'm just going to put that all over the top of the black and then put this on top, and we'll see. Okay, one last step, and then I promise you guys we're done. So I'm taking the Cover FX. These are just glitter drops, and these are, I'm not sure what color exactly. They're just like a blue iridescent, and I'm just going to be putting this all over in my collarbones, neck, and shoulders. Alright, you guys, here is the finished look. Sorry it wasn't that, like, informative of a video. Kind of really had no idea what I was doing with this look, so yeah, but I'm really happy how it turned out. I'm going to edit the color of my eyes, though, in the after photo, just because all of my color contacts are, like, completely dried up, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, thought that was kind of fun, little spunky look. I finally got to use a lot of my new eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And until the next one, bye!